Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated 12th February 2024. The Indian market opened marginally higher but failed to build on the gains as the sell-off intensified as the session progressed, with the Sensex and the Nifty closing near the day's low ahead of CPI inflation data announcement. The Sensex, which sank to the day's low of 70,922.57, narrowed losses to close 523 points, or 0.73%, lower at 71,073. The Nifty ended the day 166.50 points, or 0.76%, down at 21,616. Top Nifty losers included Coal India, Hero MotoCorp, BPCL, ONGC, and NTPC, while gainers were Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Apollo Hospitals, Wipro, Divi's Labs, and HCL Technologies. Talking about the corporate segment, we have BANDHAN Bank's third quarter financials disappointed Street after the lender's asset quality continued to remain elevated. Though brokerages maintained buy calls on the lender, they reduced their respective target prices after a forensic audit was being conducted by National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company to assess evergreening of loans. The stock of BANDHAN Bank crashed more than 7% to 199 rupees per share on February 12. It has declined 12% in the past 1 month, as against a 1.8% drop in the benchmark Sensex. Shares of ZOMATO soared 6% in the morning trade on February 12 to hit a new 52-week high of 158.80 rupees on the National Stock Exchange. The surge pushed the scrip closer to its all-time high of 169 rupees, which it hit on November 16, 2021. The rally comes after the Gurugram-based food aggregator consolidated net profit of 138 rupees crore for Q3 financial year 2024, as against a net loss of 347 rupees crore in the year-ago fiscal. ZOMATO's contribution margin, a key profit metric, expanded to 7.1% in the December quarter after it introduced a platform fee for food deliveries. The multi-bagger stock has rallied more than 200% in the past year, outperforming the benchmark Nifty, which has risen 21% during the period. Shares of online travel aggregator PEASYMYTRIP fell 5% from its intraday high on February 12. The firm will establish a new 5-star hotel in Ayodhya, near the Ram Mandir temple. PEASYMYTRIP received an in-principle approval from its board for a joint venture. The firm will commit 100 rupees crore as one of the joint venture partners in Jiwani Hospitality, the entity superheading the project under incorporation. In a filing with the exchanges, the firm said, this investment will represent 50% of the total paid-up share capital of the JV company on a fully diluted basis, through equity swap, once finalized. SHREE RENUKA Sugars fell 7% on February 12 after company posted a consolidated net loss of 172.3 rupees crore for the quarter ended December financial year 2024. In the corresponding quarter of the previous fiscal year, the company had reported a profit of 14.3 rupees crore. The sugar producer's bottom line fell despite revenue from operations growing by 18.1% on year to 3,014 rupees crore during the quarter. It has received approval from the board of directors to raise up to 2,500 rupees crore via QIP. Shares of Indian Rail Finance Corporation fell 13% on February 12 on the NSE, after the company reported a 2% drop in Q3 FY24 net profit. The results were announced after market hours on February 9. According to a regulatory filing on February 9, Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited net profit for Q3 financial year 2024 fell 1.78% to 1,604 rupees crore, from 1,633 rupees crore last fiscal, while revenue from operations grew 8.43% to 6,742 rupees crore from 6,218 rupees crore. Jubilant Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 722.15 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 856.3 for 7,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 629.08, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 79.98. Keynote Financial Services Limited in daily time frame is trading around 203.20 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 208.36 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 159.26, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 87.62. Orient Press Limited in daily time frame is trading around 131.20 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 890.46 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 101.99, which is a good indication for the stock, while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 78.88. For the stock recommendation we have, Atai Industries Limited looks good and can be bought at 676 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 663 rupees and a target of 697 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.